Okay, so first step, grab a wire and wrap it around your hands. And you're just gonna feed it underneath the cushion strip bracket, get a U shape and pull back, and slowly work it left and right all the way down. Obviously your lid's gonna be fixed on your unit. It will not be on a table like this, so you won't have to worry about the lid moving around. But this should get you a nice, efficient, quick way of removing that cushion strip bracket without doing damage to that glass lid. If you have anything that's like plastic that's similar to wire, that's flat, that can go underneath that, that's another good option, just so you're not scratching up that beautiful lid. So now the next step would be to use some Goo Gone. Apply the Goo Gone to the remaining adhesive, help with removal. Next step, go ahead and let the adhesive from the previous cushion strip bracket sit in the Goo Gone liquid so that it can be easier to work up with. Next step would be to grab a brand new razor, and something like this tool is really useful to keep your hands away from the razor. So let's go ahead and work that, and just be extremely cautious, as this is an extremely sharp object, and cut away from yourself. And obviously you want to be extremely careful with that lid too, so you're not gouging it. We're just going to slowly work the adhesive off. Once we get through the foam layer, you will still have somewhat of an adhesive layer, and you'll have to take that Goo Gone to it once again, and that will be the final step, is getting that adhesive off so that we can apply the new backing strip with optimal adhering. So we quickly take our finger and just rub in a cyclical motion, just to rub that Goo Gone into the previous adhesive, and then we're going to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. After we let it sit for a couple minutes, we're going to start scraping it off, and you'll find that you're not able to get it all off right away. So the next step would be to apply some more Goo Gone, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and just kind of keep repeating the process until the film is completely removed. So you can still see a remnant of what was there prior, but we got majority of the adhesive off of there with the Goo Gone and with constant scraping. And now we're just going to quickly clean it with some microfiber cloth first, and then we're going to hit it with alcohol, and then hit it once again with a microfiber cloth. So okay, so we just quickly clean this off so you could see the adhesive layer from the previous double-sided tape on the back of the cushion strip bracket. And so now we just need to get that little film off so the next one applies really well. So we're going to apply more Goo Gone to remove this. So the final step, like I said, just apply some alcohol to it, and then just hit it with a microfiber cloth real quick. Get it nice and clean for that next application of the double-sided tape that's going to apply that cushion strip bracket to your shatterproof glass lid on your Vac100. As you're cleaning this with alcohol, you're going to find that there's a little adhesive that's still coming off. That's great. Get it off what you can. Like I said, you won't get all of the residue off of there, but you'll get majority of it off of the lid. And that will get you a good beginning to the new application of the cushion strip bracket and cushion strip.